What's up, guys? I got a secret. Listen, come in a little closer. A little closer, a little closer. I'm cheap.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say or do can and will be used against you.
Yeah, I'm cheap. So what? Holla at me later, son. Out my face. Yo, man, I'm sorry, kid. Alright, so I was on Huckberry the other day, and I was looking through some of their electronic organizers. That's like kind of the newest thing to organize your backpack, is getting a good electronic organizer. And I have one, and I saw this Topo Designs electronic travel organizer, and I thought that thing was great. Looking at all the pictures, it looked like it would fit my needs perfectly. Then I looked at the price. I was like, man, $60 for an electronic organizer. Understand, these things usually don't even leave my bag. They live inside my bag all the time. So to pay $60 is kind of steep for me. So I was thinking, man, go ahead and use the electronic organizers you already have. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna show you guys all the little pouches and electronic organizers that I have and I use and I carry on a daily basis. None of the electronic organizers and pouches that I use are over 15 bucks. I mean, I'm cheap. I'm sorry. I mean, this is just how I was raised. I like to save my money. I'd rather put the money inside of a bag, buying a nice bag, than buying an electronic organizer that sometimes they wear out. I want to change them. I get new stuff. I get different stuff. And sometimes, hey, you don't want to invest $60, $70 in an electronic organizer, and I totally understand that. And then there's others out there that say, hey, this is how I want to invest my money. I want to put a $60 electronic organizer inside of my backpack. It's a free country. That's why I love it. So let's look at the first one. All right, so this is the first electronic organizer. It's from a company named Be Unique, Be Myself. And this thing I carry with me all the time in my EDC bag. Right here, I got the North Face Recon, which is my EDC bag right now. And this electronic organizer houses everything that I need for a day. So to go to work. So I've done a review on this, so I'll just quickly run through what I have inside of this thing. I got all kinds of cables. I got USB, USB Type-C. I have Apple. I have regular USB. I have some headphones. And this thing offers like 9 different slots where you can put some different cords and things. Then it also offers you a zipper pouch on this side where you can stick in some different items. I really like that. And if that wasn't enough, if you go onto the other side of this organizer, you get another whole section where I have a power bank, like a little emergency radio, and then I carry some other items on this side, which is a zipper pocket. Man, check out my review of this online, and I'll really walk through every inch of it. This electronic organizer is 9x7, so I kind of try to give the measurements in the videos because I want you guys to be able to know before you purchase it how big or small this thing is so it can work for your EDC system. The other thing that I carry in my EDC bag all the time is these little pouches that I usually buy on eBay. They're like $2.50 and they take about 3 or 4 weeks to come. That's the only thing that's bad about them. These Chinese zipper pouches are 9.5 by 6 and they're made out of a canvas. They have a heavy nylon strap on them and they're just a simple zipper pouch right here. And inside, what I carry every day is my medical kit and some Clorox disinfectant wipes. And those just live inside my bag. If I need them, I pull them out. If I don't need them, then they just in there. I like to have little stuff like that for any things that might occur, but you know, this is perfect. It's a perfect size to fit in most backpacks, and they come in a whole bunch of different colors. I even use these when I fish. So I put like my different lures inside in cases, and then I'll just throw, if I'm going, you know, if I'm going for small fish, then I have a bag for light tackle bag. If I'm going for a larger fish and I'm traveling, I got a, you know, larger fish bag. Or if I'm going saltwater fishing for a specific fish, then I put this in, you know, I put all the lures for my saltwater fishing in one bag like this, throw it in my bigger backpack, and then I'm ready to go. Like I said, they come in different colors. This is like a green. This one's brand new. I haven't used it. You know, when they wear out, and they take about a year or two, maybe 3, they'll wear out, and I always just keep a backup. You know, I can order probably, I don't know, 30 of those before I could, you know, pay for a Topo Designs electronic organizer. So those are two of the pouches that I'm carrying right now. So let's move on to some other pouches that I use. This one right here, this is my camera bag. This is a Lowepro Nova 170 AW. I've had this for years, but on the side, I usually carry this. I can't pronounce the name. It's KHANKA. And this is like a roll style electronic organizer. And what I do in this is I just keep all my USBs, drives. So it's got 2 zipper pouches on the side here, and then in the middle section, it's got space for cords. So I keep a USB charger to charge my batteries for my phone, for my camera. I keep a lavalier mic, and then a mic for my wireless mic in there. I also keep like a lens cleaning cloth and some headphones if I want to listen to audio playback on my camera. Then on this side, I have some more USB sticks and some USB drives. But this is a small little case. This one right here measures 4.25 by 6.7. So it's a little roll top. It's got a little clip on the front, and actually the sides of it are open. But you know, I've never lost anything in this, and it kind of opens all the way opens all the way up, so you can get right to your stuff, so you can see everything. And I really like that for a camera type of organizer. But I used to use this for my EDC, and then I started carrying more stuff, so I graduated and got something a little bigger. The next electronic organizer I want to talk to you guys about is this one right here. This electronic organizer is saved under a lot of different names on Amazon, and I'll try to flash some of the names up on the screen right now of different names the same organizer is used. So I used to use this one as my electronic organizer, and it's been retired, so now it's like a survival kit type of organizer where I've got a candle, a tactical pen. This is like a pen that has screw heads in it, then another Stanley pen with screw heads in it, a box cutter. This is like a Tide stick for stains, and I have a little knife, my G2 pens that I love so much, G2 pen. And then on this side on the other side I have a fire kit where I got some cotton and some matches, and I just stick that stuff in there just in case. This usually rides around in my truck with me, so if I need something, I know where it is. So this one actually offers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 spaces for cords and whatever stuff you need to stick in there, pens or kind of tools, roll, and any type of round objects. So I really like this one, but it's kind of simple. And when I switched to the Be Unique one, this one got retired because this one offered me a lot more space. I like these little ditty bags. Again, eBay. These little ditty bags are like $3 or $4, and they're made out of a waterproof material. So what I do with these is, if like I'm going camping or I'm going hiking or I'm going fishing for the day, I'll throw one of these bags in and I'll throw in all my little snacks I want to carry. So inside this bag right now, I have some, these are like some natural, like not fruit by the foot, more like a fruit roll up type of thing, but it's made out of real fruit, and some granola bars. And what else do I have in there? Some raisins. I don't really eat raisins like that. I just threw these in here so that I can show you guys what you could possibly throw in these. But it's great for snacks to throw in, or anything else you want to throw in it. And it's got this cinch cord to it, so you just cinch it up, and now you got a little ditty bag full of your snacks or whatever you want to carry inside the bag. And this last one, this is a dry bag, which I often carry when I go camping or if I'm going to the beach. And this dry bag is 16 by 9. And I think this is about a 10-liter bag. And what I use this for is when I go to the beach, I'll roll it up 3 times. And I'll stick in any of my electronics or my extra clothes or anything like that. So right here I have a Tribit X-Sound Go speaker. I did a review on this, sounds awesome, check it out. And then I'll also throw in my cell phone if I'm going to the beach and I don't want it covered with sand. And I'll throw in like a change of clothes. So I just threw in a shirt real quick so you guys can kind of see that. Again, cell phone, any type of electronics. You're going to the beach, you don't want to get wet, or if you're going on a boat trip and you want to take your stuff with you and you don't want it to get wet, stick it in a dry bag. You don't have to pay a lot of money for them. Like this one I think is like $5 on eBay. I'll flash it up on the screen. Awesome stuff. But yeah guys, this is my little organizers that I use inside my packs so that I don't have to go out and buy extremely expensive organizers. As you can see, as you go through time, your needs change and you want to switch them out. So why spend over 15 bucks for them in the first place? And some guys, hey, I know that Peak Designs one, that one is a really nice one. I might have to get it just to have it. But for right now, these ones are suiting me just fine. Thanks for watching George Define, guys. I'll see y'all in the next one, man. Peace.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so you never miss out on any of my adventures or reviews. See you next time. Peace.